This video is going to show you how to make bacon in the oven. All you do is put parchment paper on a large cookie sheet, and then I took 3 packages of bacon and just separated them. See, you just separate them all, lay them in there. Preheat your oven at 375. You don't want to go too hot because then the bacon grease will splatter just like it does when you have it on the stove. So we cook it at 375 for an hour, and then we'll check it. See how crispy it is. Some people like their bacon real crispy. Some people like it just medium. So we'll check it in an hour. I like mine really crispy. We'll check it, flip it around a little bit, put it back in if we want it to be done a little bit more. And that's all you do. It's very easy to make bacon in the oven, and that way you're not standing over the stove getting splattered with grease. You just put it in the oven, set a timer, keep a little watch on it, and let it go. Okay, it's been in the oven for about an hour. I went ahead and flipped it all over. It's starting to get nice and brown on one side. So I flipped them all over. I'm going to leave it in for another half an hour and check it again. Like I said, it depends on how crispy you like your bacon, but I like mine very crispy, so I'm going to leave it in. And if you notice, it doesn't splatter everywhere and burn you. So see you in 30 minutes. Okay, our bacon has been in the oven for an hour and 30 minutes. After your bacon has been in the oven to your liking, just depends, like I said, on how crispy you like it. I put a cooling rack on top of a cookie sheet with parchment paper so we can drain all the grease off the bacon. Just spread it out so it will drain off all the grease. After this pan cools that has all the bacon grease on it, over here you can strain that bacon grease and use it to fry your scrambled eggs or your fried eggs in. It's really good. I know a lot of people save their bacon grease for that reason. It's really good that way. All your eggs taste a lot better if you fry them in bacon grease. We're going to let that cool for about 20 minutes, and then we'll take care of that. So there is your 3 packs of bacon done in the oven, all done and crispy. I hope you like my video. Like and subscribe to my channel for more easy everyday recipes. You can also watch all the videos that's on my YouTube channel already. And have a good day.